Hey everyone, it's Troy here with Restoring Eden. I'm out here with my wife, Billy Marie, and you can say hi.
Hi.
And we want to do a quick preview on the Fuyu Persimmon.
Ta-da!
We've got some beautiful, the sun's right here, but we've got some beautiful trees. These are persimmon trees and they're 9-10 feet tall.
They're huge.
The largest ones we've had in stock, so we're super excited to be selling these to clients. But we have never had a persimmon before.
Never.
So this will be a first for us. So we're really curious. You know, this is one of the most popular trees at Restoring Eden. We sell tons of these. So I don't know what all the rage is about, but this is a Fuyu, non-astringent. So even though it's hard, it's supposed to still be sweet. We got these from Costco. I don't have much hope from Costco, so we'll see. All right,
we'll see.
You ready?
1, 2, 3.
Oh snap!
I think I just got the skin.
You just got the. Oh yeah, you don't. Yeah, that's not how you bite. That's not how you bite fruit. Oh snap! Oh, that's good.
Sweet.
So everybody tells me it's got this cinnamon to it, but man, I'm tasting like just straight honey. Sugar.
Sugar. There's a little bit of cinnamon in there.
A little bit of cinnamon.
Mm-hmm. Warm.
I feel like some, like it's got some like fat in it. It doesn't have fat, but maybe it does. It's different. It's not nutty, but you know what I'm saying? Are you not?
There's like a warm flavor profile to it.
Yeah, warmth.
And they're crunchy, right?
So my mom always like told me, she was like, those are tomatoes. And I was like, oh, okay, those are tomatoes. They're not tomatoes. They're persimmons.
Persimmons.
And
tomato.
I don't know. I guess they're actually pretty good.
Yeah. Different. But good.
I would definitely eat one of these. They're so sweet. Really sweet. Wow. There you have it, man.
Persimmon review. Come get one at Restoring Eden. We have a 10 for you, but they do run out very fast, so come and get one.
Yep. And most of the time we have like 2-foot tall trees. These, like you can see behind us, 9 feet tall. These are impressive trees. So yeah, they won't last long, but check us out. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks.
Bye.